Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. In this video, we'll be doing the battery drain test of the newly launched Oppo K13 5G. Now we have already done the charging test of this massive 7000 mAh battery. It does come with 80 watt charging and the charging times are really impressive. In case you have not watched that video, do check out our channel. We have already uploaded the charging test of the Oppo K13 5G. Now in this video, we'll do the reverse, the battery drain test and see how long this 7000 mAh battery lasts in our testing. So before going into the battery drain test, we'll let our viewers know that this may not be completely accurate test because when we test the room temperature, the network signal strength, a lot of parameters vary. So again, this is based on our social media app usage like Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and then gaming, camera usage. So it may depend on your app usage. This is not an accurate test, so this test will just give you an idea about how much of battery it can last. Again, it depends upon user to user. So let's begin the battery drain test of the Oppo K13 5G. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit the red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So we are going to start the battery drain test of the Oppo K13 5G. So first let's remove the charger from the device. Now the charger has been removed and we'll be first using Instagram and we'll use the apps with both Wi-Fi as well as 5G network to see how the battery drain is. So first would be Instagram on 5G network or other Wi-Fi network, and then we'll wait for 1 hour and then we'll see how much battery drain happens. So we have started Instagram on Wi-Fi network and right now you can see here 100% battery is remaining. Now let's wait for 1 hour and then we'll come back after the 1 hour is completed. So now we have completed 1 hour of Instagram usage on Wi-Fi and we have 94% of the battery remaining. So 6% drain in 1 hour with Instagram Reels. Now let's continue Instagram for one more hour, and this time around we'll be using 5G network to play the reels and see how much of battery drain happens. So at the end of 2 hours of Instagram usage, we have 87% of the battery remaining. So 7% drain in 5G usage on Instagram. Next, let's go to YouTube app. So YouTube is one very popular app we use for watching videos and movies. So let's start with the YouTube streaming on Wi-Fi network for 1 hour, and then after 1 hour we'll go back to 5G network on YouTube. So at the end of first hour of Wi-Fi streaming on YouTube, we have 81% of the battery left. Now let's continue YouTube for another 1 hour. This time around we'll be using 5G network. We are using Airtel 5G here, so we'll use Airtel's 5G network to stream YouTube for 1 more hour. And at the end of 4 hours, we have 75% of the battery remaining. So 4 hours completed, and we have 2 hours of Instagram, 2 hours of YouTube, and we have 75% of the battery remaining. Let's go to the camera usage. So this device can record videos in 4K 30 FPS. So we'll record videos connected to Wi-Fi and we'll use the camera app for 1 hour to record, and let's see the battery drain. And at the end of 5 hours, 1 hour of camera usage and total 5 hours, we have 64% of the battery remaining on the Oppo K13 5G. Next, let's go to Facebook. We'll connect Facebook to Wi-Fi network and we'll watch some videos on Facebook. Facebook is another platform where you watch a lot of videos and movies. So 1 hour of Facebook streaming on Wi-Fi network, we have 60% of the battery remaining. So right now 6 hours of battery usage have completed and we have 60% battery still remaining. So at this point of time we'll stop the testing. We'll continue the testing tomorrow, so we can see how much of battery drain happens during idle time. So we'll come back after somewhere around 8 to 9 hours and then we'll continue streaming. So 6 hours, 60% of the battery is remaining. So now we are once again starting the battery drain test. So now the idle battery drain was just 2% and now we have 58% of the battery remaining. We are going to start this. So from 60 we came down to 58, the idle battery drain. Now let's start with Twitter. Again connected to the Wi-Fi network. So we'll watch some videos on Twitter, browse the Twitter, and at the end of 1 hour of Twitter usage, we have 50% of the battery remaining. Next, we are going to do gaming. So we'll play two games on Wi-Fi network. So we'll play Asphalt Unite and also BGMI. So 1 hour, around 20 minutes of Asphalt Unite and 40 minutes of BGMI. And at the end of 1 hour of gaming, we have 40% of the battery remaining. So now almost 8 hours completed and we have 40% battery still remaining. Next, let's go to Instagram usage. Once again, we'll connect to 5G network and we'll see how much battery drain happens. So at the end of 1 hour of Instagram on 5G network, we have 29% of the battery remaining. Let's go back to the YouTube app. Again, we'll stream on Wi-Fi network and see how much battery drain happens. So at the end of 1 hour of YouTube on Wi-Fi network, we still have 17% of the battery completed. And we will continue YouTube on 5G network, and at the end of another hour on 5G network, we have 12% of the battery remaining. We'll continue with Instagram usage. This time around, we'll use Wi-Fi network on Instagram and we'll watch Reels for 1 more hour. And at the end of 12 hours, we have around 3% of the battery remaining. So now 3% is the battery remaining. So we are almost at the end of the battery drain test. We'll continue with the Instagram app once again and we'll continue because just 3% of the battery remaining. So at the end of 12 hours and 38 minutes, we have the battery empty on Oppo K13 5G. So 12 hours 38 minutes is what it took to drain out the Oppo K13 5G, the massive 7000 milliampere battery, and we have now 0% battery. So that is a battery drain test. 12 hours 38 minutes with Instagram, YouTube, camera app, Facebook, Twitter, and also gaming. 12 hours 38 minutes is what it took to drain the battery. So that was a battery drain test. Once again, we'll remind our viewers that this is not a completely accurate test. This is just to give you an indicative idea how much battery drain will happen. You might get a higher battery drain or you might get lower based on your app usage. So even if you're using with heavy usage, you should be probably getting around 11 hours of battery usage without any issues. So that is what we feel with the battery drain on the Oppo K13 5G. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.